Halimbawa, pagkatapos nila magpa-picture sa kanilang ninong na ginawang ninong ba? Ninong ba? Ginawa ba nilang ninong si PBBM? Sa kanilang, may picture sila eh. Parang galing sa seremonya eh. O ito, sabi sa balita, Mabsat, ABS-CBN, former NYC National Youth Commission ba to? Chairperson Ronald Youth pa ba to? Baka ibang youth yun. Basta Duterte, ibang youth eh. Ronald Cardema and wife. Wife talaga. Duterte Youth Representative Marie. Wife talaga niya. Hindi niya kapatid. Wife talaga, mga kakabsat. Attempted, but failed. Ang daling nga. Ano ba yan? Nakakalungkot naman to. Tingnan nyo guys ha. Basahin natin mabuti ha. Former NYC Chairperson Ronald Cardema and wife Duterte Youth Representative Marie Cardema attempted, nag-attempt sila but failed to file an impeachment complaint against, ano ba yan? Naku po, you failed? Hindi nila naisagawa. Bakit? ABS-CBN, totoo ba to? Yan, nababasa niyo ba? Failed, meaning hindi successful. No? Successfully filed, hindi. Failed to file an impeachment complaint against PBBM Marcos over alleged culpable violations of Constitution and betrayal of public trust stemming from the transfer to the ICC of the former President Rodrigo Duterte. Betrayal of public trust daw. Ginawa nila yung nasa batas. Naku po, kaya kayo pinagtatawanan. Agoy! Hala, long time no see, Kabsat Maestro, Kabsat Ricky Vlog, shoutout Kabsat. Ninja, Jack Monster, Mega Love, shoutout. Hermes Rodriguez, shoutout. Nakinamusta na ni may Kabsat, Feli DB, shoutout Kabsat. BBM Youth Defender, labas na dyan. Tatapatan nyo itong Duterte Youth Party List, puti versus itim. Ganun ba, Kabsat, Feli? Naku po, shoutout. Nasa ating Facebook page si Feli. Shoutout sa ating 71 viewers dito sa ating YouTube channel, Mabsat. Naku po, ano naman, failed, totoo ba yan? Kaya nga nakalagay, ABS-CBN, 3 hours ago yan, Ang linaw, sabi dito, Cardema attempted but failed to file an impeachment complaint. Naka-failed, sumablay siya. Mag-file ng bakit naman? ABS-CBN, totoo ba to? Sa ABS-CBN to, over alleged culpable violation of ano ba sabi dito? Tingnan natin. Basahin nga natin yung full story. Yung kanilang segment. Tingnan natin sa ABS-CBN, Mabsat. Ito, Mabsat, tingnan natin yung kanilang Cardema couple. Mag-asawang file Marcos impeachment complaint. May 8, 3:48 PM. Kanina lang, 3:48. Almost alas 4, Mabsat, no? Ayun. Manila, Duterte Youth Party List Chairperson. Nakikita nyo ba? Kikita nyo ba? Shoutout Carl Alejo. Kikita nyo ba yan? Lakihan pa natin. Sobrang laki na yata. To. Basahin natin. Duterte Youth Party List Chairperson Ronald Cardema and his wife, Lucille Marie, on Thursday tried but failed. Tried, sinubukan nila pero failed to file the first ever impeachment complaint against Marcos Jr. Agoy! Nakakatawa ka naman, Cardema. Unsuccessful. Bakit? They went to the House of Representatives on Thursday afternoon to file the complaint. But Cardema said he was informed that the House Secretary General was not around to receive the complaint. Ayun lang. Gumawa sila ng complaint pero walang magre-receive. Failed nga, sablay. The Office of the Secretary General was also having its strategic planning session from May 6 to May 8, according to the post of the office door. The Office of the Secretary General is not accepting it because wala dahil wala raw ngayong araw na ito ang Secretary General. Ang nakalagay naman sa procedure, it is the office, not the person himself, Mr. Cardema told the media. Ay talaga, may kon ba to? He said that they will again attempt to file the impeachment next week daw. Oh. Subukan daw nila next week. Agoy! Agoy! Ay, Duterte Youth Party List! Agoy! Nako po. Sablay. Oh, next week na lang daw sila mag-complain. The grounds for impeachment cited in 24 pages complaint signed by Cardema couple, yung mag-asawang Cardema, where President Marcos alleged culpable violation of the Constitution and his alleged betrayal of public trust. Really? Saan doon? When he allowed the arrest of the former Rodrigo Duterte on basis of a warrant issued by the International Criminal Court, the complainants claimed that Duterte's right due process was violated. Eh bakit sumama si Duterte? Ha? 'Di ba? Kung na-violate, ha? How come na-violate yan? Ako po, pinagtatawanan na nga lang kayo. Pati nga sa jurisdiction doon sa ICC. Di ba? Denied. Denied sa jurisdiction. Di ba? O pati yung yung dire-request nilang inhibit yung dalawang judge. Denied din. Anak ng kamote. Lahat na lang denied kasi nga pinagtatawanan na lang kayo. Duterte was arrested on March 11 on his arrival from Hong Kong at the request of the International Criminal Court, ICC, as part of his probe into his war on drugs that defines his presidency. ICC warrant of arrest, or ICC warrant for Duterte arrest said that as president, the 80-year-old Duterte allegedly created, funded, and armed death squad that carried out murders of purported drugs users and dealers. He was brought to the Hague in the Netherlands on the same day he was arrested. Duterte on March 14 appeared via video link before ICC judge. He is set to attend the September 23. Matagal-tagal pa September. Bermans pa. Nako po, kakanta pa si Kwan dyan. Kakanta pa dyan sino yan? Sino na yan? Yung lumalabas kapag Bermans na? Si Jose Marichan. Pag lumabas na yon, maghanda-handa na kayo. Hearing to be confirmed charges against him. Naku pa, oh, yan o. Oh, ano na? Agoy! 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 Naku po! Oh, yan mga kabisat. Agoy! Nag-file ng complaint, my goodness. Ano, lap trip muna tayo. Pero hindi nag-successful kasi wala siya pagsasabitan. Oh, ano ba laman ng kanya? Silipin nga natin mga kabisat. O, sa mga bagong pasok dyan, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Ilan na ba yung viewers natin? Ilan na? 93 viewers, mga kabisat, sa ating YouTube channel. 93 viewers. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Shoutout po sa mga kasama natin. Emily Basog, Neil Darceo, Eva, Hachiko. Impeachment is numbers game. Yun na. Numbers game. Eh bakit? Ilan bang numero nila doon sa impeachment? Eh, samantalang lahat yun, 200 plus, in-impeach si Sara. What do you expect? Impeach si BBM? Imposible. Managinip sila. Ilan lang ba yung hindi nag-sign doon? Diba? O, si Duterte Youth Party List, hindi nag-sign doon. Diba? Si Sagip, hindi. Ilan lang? Wala pa yatang 50. O, ano mangyayari doon? Hindi man lang sila maka 1/8. Anak ng kamote. Wildest dream, no? Kahit ikaw nila i-file nila, walang mangyayari. Diba? Pagtatawanan lang sila lalo, di ba? Oh, salamat po sa mga nag-like. Good evening, Cora Vidal. Shout out. Oh, ano na mga kabsat? Agoy. Oh, puntahan natin 'to, mga kabsat. Nako po. Meron pa dito eh. Wait lang, asan na 'yon? Wait. Ito. Oh, ito yung complaint, guys. House of Representatives, kailan to? Verified complaint for impeachment against the President of the Republic of Philippines. Verified famous complaint. We former Undersecretary Ronald Cardema and former Congressman Marie Cardema both of Calamba City, Laguna, the undersigned complains in our personal capacity and as taxpayer and registered voters and as concerned citizen of the Republic of the Philippines, under oath, do hereby states nature of petitions. This is the complaint for the impeachment of His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President Marcos Jr., the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, based on the grounds of specific below. The verified impeachment complaint is being filed under the pursuant provisions of Article 11, Accountability of Public Officers, Section 2 and 3 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, as well as the rules of procedures in impeachment proceedings of the 19th Congress of the Republic of the Philippines. The parties complain former Undersecretary Cardema and legal age marriage, Congressman Marie Cardema of legal age married, home residential Barangay Calamba, Laguna, where we serve as a summons notice and other legal processes in the connection with this verified impeachment complaint and proceedings. Ano pa bang katuloy nito? O ito, mukhang ginawa nyo pang ninong sa kasal nyo yata eh. Naka po, ang ganda ng smile, no? Tapos impeach nyo si Ninong. Ninong ba? O yan, no? O, di ba? O, yung mag-asawa dati, oh, yung ganyan dati, oh, yun, oh. Oh, ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Uy, agoy, 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 agoy. Nako pa. Oh, yan, oh. Nag-file sila kanina pero walang nangyari. Walang tumanggap. Agoy. Wala pang 10. Ay, talaga, Sir Leo, sinabi mo pa, no? Mananaginip sila. Diyan pa lang sa House of Representative, ibabasura na yan. Kaya mas lalo silang pagtatawanan ngayon. Akala nila nasa kanila yung numero, nananaginip sila, di ba? Agoy, agoy, agoy. Shoutout Ma'am Brenda Bard. Number 99. Oy guys, isa na lang, 100 na. Baka naman, mga habsat. O, sa mga hindi pa nagla-like and subscribe, like. At syempre, mga habsat, na ilan na yung subscribers natin? Mga kabsat, road to 93,000 na tayo. Ilan na lang ang kulang ni Maestro, mga kakabsat? Ilan na lang ba kulang?